Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and right now we have some very exciting things to talk about. All right, we're going to talk about your trash and debris removal from your rental property. Now you may laugh, but it's something that deserves a lot of attention because it's an expense. Okay, it's something you're paying for on a recurring basis every month, every year, and you want to ensure that you have the right size container and the right size frequency for it to be picked up. Now, we just took over a 3-family property here in Rhode Island, and it had a 6-yard dumpster being emptied on a weekly basis. Okay, 6 yards is huge. That's as tall as me, 6 feet, by as wide as me, another 6 feet. If the tenants are emptying that on a weekly basis, geez, you got to check into that. Those containers belong at a mall or a restaurant, somewhere that has high frequency, high volume, okay? It doesn't belong at your 3-family. Look at it this way, a good rule of thumb. A 2-yard dumpster can service a 3 to 4 family building and get emptied on a bi-weekly basis, meaning every 2 weeks. If you notice that it's getting filled up or the tenants are complaining there's not enough space, you can increase the frequency first. Don't increase the size of the container. Increase the frequency of the removal, okay, of the pickup schedule. You are going to pay more for the frequency increase, but it's less than if you got a bigger container, okay? You're paying for the size of the container whether you fill it or not. So, 2-yarder for 3 to 4 families. If you have a 10 unit, maybe try a 4-yarder picked up weekly. Play with it. But the bigger the container, the more your expense. And don't forget, mattresses, furniture, shelving units, bookcases, these things usually will not be picked up if they're on the side of the container. So if you're having a problem with big rubbish, or you find that there's a lot of it, especially during turnovers, you may want to have a bigger container so you can crush things up and throw it in there. So just something for you to play around with. The bigger the container, though, usually means you're paying more and it's not getting filled up unless you're getting phone calls. So scale it back a little bit and go from there. So once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.